What if you could reduce the emissions from your diesel fleet without changing your vehicles? That's exactly where Shell Renewable Diesel, often called HVO out in the market, can help. Shell Renewable Diesel is a low-carbon fuel made from renewable feedstocks, for example, from used cooking oil. Yes, that oil, the one that's currently sitting in a mug next to your sink judging you. And here's the best part. You can keep the same diesel vehicle, same engine, same refueling process. Basically, everything stays the same, just lower carbon intensity. But what about the proof documentation? In some European markets, Shell provides a product statement with lower carbon fuel, which contains life cycle GHG emission data, verified by a third-party auditor to give you peace of mind. Wait, what about the long distances and low temperatures? Shell Renewable Diesel works for medium and heavy-duty short and long-haul operations, and provides improved engine start in cold climate conditions. Whether your vehicles are crossing borders or circling cities, Shell Renewable Diesel has you covered. And it's ready when you are. Shell Renewable Diesel network is expanding across Europe, with more locations being added continuously. Shell Renewable Diesel. Lower GHG emissions. Same fleet. Ready now.